in Nyamira, my county, which I represent. This is the World Parliamentary Association, where I am part of. And we have been longing to have these, the activities which have been going around the country. We have been longing to have them here in Nyamira. And today we are so grateful that they are here, courtesy of our caucus, as you have heard. And majorly we have come to synthesize our people on the environment and the climate change, which has affected most parts in our world, where Kenya and Nyamira is part of it. So we have come here today to meet with our parents, with our children, and specifically to talk to scouts who are in this school, because they are doing their best to make sure that the environment is clean, to make sure that they have even taught their young ones who are within the communities how they are supposed to live, what they are supposed to do so as to make the environment safe for living. So we have also come to synthesize the community on the types of trees which they are supposed to grow, because we know most of our rivers have dried up in most places because of the eucalyptus trees, which have proved to be a menace in certain areas. But today we have come here at this school, Riomanga Primary School, and because it is on the hillside, we have brought trees which will be compatible with the climate around here, and we have planted these trees, and we are asking the scouts in this school to take care of them and their teachers, also to monitor what is going on within the environment and the trees that we have brought and we have planted. Enyewe tumesikia na serikali ya county mara kwa mara imekuwa ikisema ya kwamba iko na plan ya kutoa ile miti ambayo inaathiri our environment kutoka kwa around kwa mito, lakini vile watu ambao huwa wanaenda round, especially the media groups, wameona ya kwamba hiyo miti bado haichotolewa. Wito wangu kama ni mama county ni kuuliza ya kwamba wale ambao wako karibu na mito, ile miti ambayo mnapanda huko, tunataka kuwaomba ya kwamba kuna mito ambayo inakunywa maji mingi, na kuna miti mingine ambayo iko friendly na maji. Tunawaomba kama uko na mti ambao ulikuwa unafikiria kupelekea mtoto yako shule, kuna miti mingine utaweza panda, na pia hiyo miti itakusaidia. Kwa hii event ya leo ambao tumekuwa nayo, tumekuwa na more than 200 seedlings ambao tumeplant, na pia tuko na program nyingi hata kutoka kwangu kama mama county, kwa sababu niko na miti zaidi ya 20,000 ambayo mimi nimeprokiwa, ambayo inaendelea kuwa planted in our schools. Tukipata hii miti haikutosha, na mimi nitaleta miti mingine nikuja hapa kuplant.